Hi there. My name is Satnam. I run a web design and an SEO company here in Vancouver. I saw that you have posted a job online for building backlinks for your website. It's obvious that you want to build backlinks for ranking your website on first page of Google or other search engines, which is understandable because 80 to 90% of the business goes to the companies which are listed on first page of Google. So let me just open your site here. So this is www.tradewestsales.com. If you see one notification here, which says connection is not secure. This is because your site does not have a security certificate installed, which is SSL. From August 2018, Google, prefers that you install SSL certificate on your website. Otherwise, this message will be shown to the users. So users might feel scared to come to the site. Now, SSL certificate also boosts your rankings. See, if I Google this, does SSL boost SEO? So if you see it here, it says very clearly that having SSL will give a boost to your SEO rankings. So first of all, this what you should do is you should get SSL installed on your website so that this message goes away. Oh, sorry, it's your website is here. Yeah, it's here. This message should go away, which is connection is not secure. Now, the next thing is I want to discuss how Google ranks websites. To rank for any website on the first page of Google, it needs to earn Google's trust. How does a site earns Google's trust? There are 2-3 factors. One of those factors is content. Google loves good content, unique content on the site. And if I just observe your website, there's very less content here. That I recommend, or even Google recommends, that you should have about 400 to 500 words on the home page or any page, to have a good weightage. And then, second thing is it should have a good site structure. The site should be mobile responsive, which your site is. And then, meta descriptions. Meta descriptions tell Google what exactly this site is all about and where should it rank. So I was using this particular tool from RankDaddy to check up the metadata. You see, here I'm trying to extract metadata from the site, and it says unable to grab site metadata or invalid URL, which means that if this tool is not able to read metadata of the site, even Google will not be able to read it, so it won't be able to rank the website. Then comes the site structure, which can also be which I didn't find it on your website, and I think it can be done. So if we improve on these couple of things, like having more content, good optimized content with keywords into the site, and improve the meta descriptions, this should give you a good boost in your rankings in Google or other search engines. Then comes backlinks and other things which are covered under off-page SEO. So I can help you in correcting these issues if you want. And before I close, I would also like to show you a couple of more things. If I see your site here, the keyword you have used is auctions and appraisal firm. So if I go here and if I search for auction and appraisals, if you see it here, so this I've installed a small tool which gives me volume of the searches. There are only 10 per month searches in this area. Whereas if I search for auctions Vancouver, so there are about 1,600 searches per month. So if we make use of this keyword, this will give us much better traffic to the website, and this will give much better rankings for you as well. So when we write content, we have to ensure that we use we use keywords in the content which have good search volumes. So this way, using these factors, we can really rank your site on first page of Google within about 45 days maximum. We give you a written guarantee to bring your site on first page within 45 to 60 days. So if you're interested to discuss about it, you can get back to me. My contact details are given in the email. Thank you. Thanks for your time, and have a nice day.